how to change a face of an image in OpenArt AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then go to edit image. Over here on the square in the middle, click on that. And it's gonna say upload to upload an image, or just click over here, add an image. I'm gonna upload this image. And there are two ways to do that, okay? So the first one is to use the in paint option and then select what you wanna change. So let's say I wanna change her mouth and I wanna say make her smile. Then go to advanced to match the original image style, so it's gonna be the same size. And then you could play with these, which is mask grow, mask blur. So let's say 6. Now let's do 2 images for that example and create. Finish generating the images, so let's see. As you can see, it did a fine job. She's kind of smiling. But the issue is that the image is bad quality and the mouth is high quality. That's why it's a different kind of quality. So when you upload an image, make sure the image is high quality and not as bad as this one. So yeah, with InPaint, you can just draw anywhere. I can change her eye, nose, hair, whatever you want. And then you write over here at the prompt what you want to do with that. The other option, which is specifically for face, is over here. It says face, click on that, and then you can change her face. You can just play with these and make her, let's say, smile. As you can see, it's doing a better job than the InPaint because the image is the same quality. But over here, if you go to choose a present, you click on that and you have all these options. So I can make her surprised. Just she's surprised, or something else, frown, looking away, sorry, happy. So yeah, you understand. And then you can save it. It's only gonna cost 1 credit, which is very cheap. You can save the image. Let's click on that. Image is saved, and then you can download it over here, JPG or PNG. So yeah, I show you 2 options to change the face of an image in OpenArt AI. Thank you for watching.